Top 5 Best Rock Tumbler. Number 5. Tru-square Metal Products AR12 Rock Tumbler. The Tru-square Metal Products AR12 Rock Tumbler is a high-quality option for those seeking a durable and efficient rock tumbler. With a 12-pound capacity barrel, it can handle large loads of rocks, making it suitable for advanced users and larger projects. The motor is powerful and reliable, ensuring consistent tumbling. The durable steel construction guarantees a long-lasting and dependable performance. Coming in number 4. MJR Tumblers 2-Gallon Rock Tumbler Barrel. The MJR Tumblers 2-Gallon Rock Tumbler Barrel is an excellent addition to any rock tumbling setup. While it's not a complete kit, this rugged and reliable barrel is compatible with various rock tumblers, allowing you to upgrade or replace your existing barrel. With a 2-gallon capacity, it provides ample space for your rocks to tumble and polish effectively. The durable construction ensures it can withstand heavy use, making it a valuable investment for rock tumbling enthusiasts. Coming in number 3. Tumble-Bee Rotary Rock Tumbler TB14 Kit. The Tumble-Bee Rotary Rock Tumbler TB14 Kit is a comprehensive kit designed for rock tumbling enthusiasts. It comes with a high-quality, durable tumbler that can hold up to 6 pounds of rocks. The kit includes various grades of abrasive grit and polishing compounds to achieve professional-grade results. The powerful motor ensures efficient and consistent tumbling. Additionally, the clear barrel design allows you to monitor the progress of your rocks without interrupting the tumbling process. Coming in number 2. Lefree Store Professional Rock Polisher. The Lefree Store Professional Rock Polisher is another excellent option for those looking to polish rocks and minerals. It is a compact and efficient rock tumbler that can hold up to 3 pounds of rocks. The dual barrel design allows for 2 different grits to be used simultaneously, significantly reducing the overall tumbling time. It also comes with a powerful motor that operates quietly, so you won't disturb your household while tumbling. Coming in number 1. VIYUKI Christmas Professional Rock Tumbler Kit. The VIYUKI Christmas Professional Rock Tumbler Kit is a fantastic choice for rock enthusiasts. This kit includes everything you need to start tumbling rocks and uncover their hidden beauty. The tumbler features a sturdy design and can hold up to 3 pounds of rocks, ensuring that you can process a variety of materials. Its noise-reducing barrel and robust motor allow for quiet operation, making it perfect for home use.